Welcome to our lesson on solving time problems using timelines. A timeline is a simple but powerful tool that can help us calculate elapsed time. Instead of using clocks to calculate time differences, we can use a timeline to visualize the problem. A timeline is simply a straight line with time markers placed at even intervals. This makes it easy to see how much time has passed between events. Let's look at our first example. How long is it from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock? First, we draw our timeline with evenly spaced time markers at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. Now we can count the jumps between these markers. From 10 to 11 is 1 hour, from 11 to 12 is another hour, and from 12 to 1 is a third hour. So the total time from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock is 3 hours. Let's try another example. Gary started the test at 9:30. He finished at 9:45. How long did it take him? For this problem, we'll create a timeline with 5-minute intervals, since we're dealing with a shorter time period. We'll mark 9:30, 9:35, 9:40, and 9:45. Now count the jumps. From 9:30 to 9:35 is 5 minutes. From 9:35 to 9:40 is another 5 minutes. And from 9:40 to 9:45 is a third 5-minute jump. So Gary took 5 plus 5 plus 5, which equals 15 minutes to complete his test. Now for our final example, Linda put the roast dinner in the oven at 11:30. It was ready at 1 o'clock. How long did it take to cook? Let's create our timeline with 11:30, 12 o'clock, 12:30, and 1 o'clock. From 11:30 to 12 o'clock is 30 minutes. From 12 o'clock to 12:30 is another 30 minutes. And from 12:30 to 1 o'clock is a third 30-minute jump. So the total cooking time is 30 plus 30 plus 30 minutes, which equals 90 minutes or 1 hour and 30 minutes. So to summarize, when solving time problems, first, create a timeline with evenly spaced markers for the relevant times. Then, count the jumps between markers to find the total time elapsed. This method works for problems with hours, minutes, or even seconds. Remember, timelines provide a visual way to break down the problem and make it easier to solve. Thank you for watching. Now you can use timelines to solve time problems quickly and accurately. Practice this method with different problems to become more comfortable with it.